What's up everyone, Casey here. I want to tell you about this amazing apron that I just came across called the Wax Canvas Heavy Duty Shop Apron.
After using it for the past couple of months, I can definitely say it's super helpful to have, and it's really switched things up for me.
I was reluctant to believe that this universal fit apron would even fit me because I'm only 5'3". After you get it set up that first time, it's all smooth sailing from there.
They actually have flap over pockets, which are pretty cool. So if you step back, these pockets here, they actually have a flap that comes over, keeps the sawdust, stuff like that out, so that part pretty cool.
Really looking for something convenient and something to hold my tools that I could easily get to, and sure enough, I came across the waxed canvas heavy duty shop apron. I have all these tools on this apron at my disposal while I know exactly where they are.
I like it a lot. I've worn this about every single day. The one thing I like about it the most, compared to a couple of other ones I looked at, were these pads on the straps.
So it's really nice on the shoulders. It's not placing a bunch of stress on your neck.
And in the back strap, it doesn't tie. It has these clicks, so it kind of brings it in and it feels really comfortable. Very happy with it.
It's infinitely adjustable. It fits me just right. I can wear it all day in the shop and I even kind of forget I have it on.
I haven't found anything that can ruin it yet. That's probably what makes it unique. Its durability.
This kind of quality at the price that they're selling at, it's really great.
I highly recommend this Wax Canvas Heavy Duty Shop Apron.
Check out this heavy duty shop apron by Texas Canvas Wares. It's incredible.